Okay, good morning students. Since we have started the lesson gravitation, already I have given you the idea, that is what is the gravitation, and given also the idea universal law of gravitation. So according to the universal law of gravitation, we know that is every object, that is whenever we throw any object to the upward direction, after that due to the only because of the gravitational force, it comes down to the earth only because of the gravitational force. Now you see, so even when the moon also revolving around the earth, also there is a gravitational force between the moon and the earth also there, right? That is the one. Now we are taking, suppose we have to demonstrate about the universal law of gravitation. Let we are taking the two objects. Suppose we are taking the two objects A and B. Of masses we are taking the M, capital M and the M. Okay. Now according to the universal law of motion, that is force of attraction between the two bodies, that is the mass M also there, small m also there. That is the force of attraction between the two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the body, and inversely proportional to the distance, square of the distance between them, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, that is F directly proportional to 1 by d square. So combining two, we are getting what? F directly proportional to capital M into M divided by d square. If we correlate this one, so F is equal to how much we are getting? G into M by d square. So what is the relation we are getting? The force of attraction between the two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies. If we compare, then what we are getting? That is we are getting, that is F is equal to, suppose we are taking G, G is the gravitational constant, G is equal to M into M by d square. So today I have shown you what is the F is equal to how much? G into M by d square, where G is called the constant of proportionality and is the called gravitational constant. And also if we multiply, that is F into d square, G into M. So today I have described about the universal gravitational constant. Tomorrow I have to complete this one this week. That is free fall. About the free fall, we are going to discuss about the free fall. Next we are going to discuss how to find out the value of z, that is called universal due to gravity, that is gravity acceleration due to gravity. So today up to minute 1. Okay, we are coming out with the next that is the lesson by tomorrow. Okay.